10 most beautiful beaches in the world. 1. Whitehaven Beach, Australia. Whitehaven Beach, located in the Whitsunday Islands, is famous for its pristine white silica sand. The turquoise waters surrounding the beach provide an ideal spot for swimming and snorkeling. Accessible only by boat, seaplane, or helicopter, it offers a truly serene experience. 2. Anse Source D'Argent, Seychelles. Anse Source D'Argent features pink-hued sands and granite boulders on La Diga Island. Its shallow, clear waters are protected by a reef, perfect for calm swimming. This beach is one of the most photographed spots in the world for good reason. 3. Grace Bay Beach, Turks and Caicos. Grace Bay Beach, on Providenciales Island, is renowned for powdery white sand and azure waters. Part of Princess Alexandra National Park, it offers excellent opportunities for snorkeling and diving. Frequently ranked among the world's best beaches, it embodies tranquility and luxury. 4. Baía do Sancho, Brazil. Baía do Sancho, situated on Fernando de Noronha Island, is surrounded by lush green cliffs. Its emerald waters teem with marine life, making it a paradise for divers and snorkelers. Accessible by boat or a steep cliff staircase, it is an unspoiled tropical gem. 5. Navajo Beach, Greece. Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is nestled on the Greek island of Zakynthos. The beach features a dramatic shipwreck centerpiece and is surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. Accessible only by boat, it is celebrated for its vivid turquoise waters and stunning views. 6. Pink Sands Beach, Bahamas. Located on Harbor Island, Pink Sands Beach is famed for its soft, rosy-colored sand. The unique color comes from microscopic coral organisms called foraminifera, lending it magical beauty. 7. Maya Bay, Thailand. Maya Bay, on Koh Phi Phi Le Island, gained fame from the movie The Beach. Encircled by towering limestone cliffs, the bay features clear waters and soft white sand. 8. Matira Beach, Bora Bora. Matira Beach is one of Bora Bora's most popular and accessible public beaches. The clear lagoon and soft sand make it ideal for swimming and romantic strolls. 9. Lanikai Beach, Hawaii, USA. Lanikai Beach, located on Oahu's windward coast, is renowned for its calm, shallow waters. The fine white sand and nearby Makulua Islands create a picturesque and serene setting. 10. Tulum Beach, Mexico. Tulum Beach, situated along the Riviera Maya, combines stunning beaches with ancient Mayan ruins. Its powdery white sand and turquoise waters offer breathtaking views and relaxing vibes.